Hello everyone, we are informatics undergraduates of Universitas Sebelas Maret. My name is Kiga and these are my friends Fadil, Galih, Bintang, and Irfan. So in this video, we would like to give a solution to a common problem in our life, which is our laptop not being able to connect to the internet. It is one of the worst problems that anyone can ever get, since our life is basically connected to the internet since it's 4.0 era. The root of this problem varies, so we are going to give some solutions to the problem, which hopefully is also the root of your problem. For your information, we are going to use a laptop with Windows 10 as its OS. It might be different for some OS, but the workflow should be the same.
Okay, as we said before, the internet connection has two main problems. That is hardware or software problem. Before we solve it, we must identify the root of the problem. Maybe the problem comes from hardware or maybe software. Okay? Firstly, we can identify the hardware problem by checking its physical state. Maybe there is a physical defect on the hardware that impacts in hardware functionality and causes internet connection problem. Then, if the defect is not our mistake and the warranty is still valid, we can claim the warranty. But if the physical state or the hardware looks good, we can try to unplug and then plug in again the LAN cable. If that step cannot solve the problem, we can try to restart the router and hopefully this can solve the problem. But if the internet still not connected, we can try to identify the software problem.
If we find a problem with the software, we can solve it. For example, the network driver is not up to date. The step for solve it is, first you can go to the search bar and type device manager and open it. Choose the network adapter option. Right click on it and choose update driver. Left click on the search automatically for driver. And if this screen is pop up in your device, it means the driver is already up to date, which means it is not the problem. Next, click close for the quit option, and voila, you can connect to the internet.
Next step, if you still can't connect to the internet network, check whether the network adapter is enabled or not. As you can see, now I can connect to the internet. First of all, search control panel in the search bar and then open it. Then you choose network and internet and then click on network and sharing center. Then find change adapter setting and open it. This is my Wi-Fi adapter is disabled. That's why we can connect to the internet. It's easy. You just right click on it and enable it. If this adapter is already enabled, you can just to disable it and enable it again. If this step is successful, congratulations, you can connect to the internet again.
Last, if all of the solution cannot solve the problem and you still cannot connect to the internet, take your laptop or PC to the service center or service point, maybe because the internet hardware on the laptop or PC is having problems. If this step is successful, congratulations, you can use the internet connection again.
So that's it everyone. We hope this tutorial solved your problem. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below and we'll see what we can do to answer it. That's all, and thank you very much.